Hey everyone, and welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today we have Maivy, and we are going to do marker art. So what you do is you take markers, and they need to be washable, and you take a paper towel, and you let the child draw whatever she wants or he wants on there, and it needs to cover the entire page or the entire paper towel. And after they've completed that, then you take just plain water with a paintbrush, and then the paper towel absorbs that. And once it absorbs that, it kind of makes a tie-dye stainless glass effect to it. And this is process art, so the kid is the one that is kind of in charge of it. They draw whatever they want to draw, and we just kind of go along with it. So Mavy's going to go ahead and get started, and she's going to choose her markers, and we're going to go from there. This one? Okay.
Can you do it?
Mm-hmm. You want me to help you? You want to do it with me? You want to trade me? Okay.
This one's not hard.
It's not hard? Well, good. Okay, so now do you want to add some water to it?
Yeah.
Okay. And keep on. You just add a whole bunch of water to it.
Well, what will happen?
Well, see, look, see how the color's moving around? See how the purple's moving? Add some more water. Want to try the orange? It's right here. Be cool. All right, so this is Mavy's marker art. And we will see you guys next time on Toddler Tuesday. Check out the link below.